That's pork.
You see? That's the stew pork going on there.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to another rochielin video. Tonight is a special night. I'm coming to you from an inner city community, and I'm gonna be interviewing a lady that does amazing food. We're in the community called Olympic Garden, specifically on Dwidney Road, and we're at the shop called Fry Shop. She cooks on the traditional coal stove, and I'm telling you guys, you can smell the food from a mile away. I'm telling you, I drive come up and the windows down from way down the road, you know, and the food just, oh god, oh god, oh god. Jamaica nice. Anyways, I'm gonna go over there now and show you what I go on. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look who's here. Gretchen is here. Hey. Alright, so this is what the outside of the shop looks like, and as you can see, Granilyn is there, my cousin is also there on the right, and then two kids are buying food. It is actually 8:34 p.m. on a Wednesday night, Wednesday, January the 27th, 2021. You see, and it's this lady's operating from her yard, just the front of her yard. Gonna come and support her if you're ever in this community, cool? Alright, so see food that come out. That Upa food that. Am I food that?
No.
Are you food that? So you come get served before me? You don't know.
Special customer, man.
Okay, so it go right here.
Because she never ordered, that's why.
No, she me not order yet. Okay, look on the food.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
Yeah.
Rice and peas. Ketchup. What is this on the side? Pasta?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said a good old coconut milk?
Yeah, no pot milk around here. Everything natural.
Okay. What's the sizes and the prices of food that you have?
Oh, $400. 5.
Which one is 400?
This one. And this one is for 5.
500, okay.
Yeah. And the bigger box for 6.
And what kind of food is it?
Rice and peas, chicken, curry goat, cow food, pork.
Every day?
Yeah.
Even on Sundays?
No, not on Sunday.
Okay.
Sunday is my day of worship.
Okay. So you're gonna cook like a Sunday dinner?
For myself.
Or a little what do you call it? Like breakfast, like kalaloo, aki.
Sunday I have to give a day back to the Lord.
Amen.
And that's my day.
Okay, understand. Can I come around?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me through there.
You can make 2 money. Make you open the gate for me.
No dog not in there?
Not in the bite on Thursday.
I said dog no bite?
Mine want to bite on Thursday.
Your dog them have rubber teeth?
On Thursdays.
But I don't know if a rubber teeth your dog have.
No, on Thursdays.
Guys, I don't look how me coming at the lady kitchen
Yeah.
for you guys.
And him don't bite pretty ladies.
Oh my, what a nice dog. A sensible dog.
Good dog.
Good dog. Alright. So let us look at the operations in the kitchen now. So this is coal stove
Yeah.
with a fan blade on top.
Yes.
Talk to me about that.
That's what I use to make the grill to lift the pot off the fire. Yeah, so that the food don't burn up.
Okay, so the food tastes better this way.
Yes. All time way.
All time we have cooking.
Yeah.
So why you don't use a stove?
Simple. You just need to use one sort of energy to do your thing. You don't need gas and coal. You know. And then I like the old time way of food.
Honestly, the old time way usually tastes better anyways.
Sure.
It usually tastes better. And so talk to me about the seasoning. You use a lot of seasoning in it?
No, not that. Not a lot.
As in the natural seasoning?
Yep, natural seasoning.
Yeah.
Onions, thyme, pepper,
And all of that.
celery, yeah, all of that.
So how long now you're in operation?
Well, I'm here 20 years now, you know.
20 years?
Going 21, yeah.
Wow.
2020.
Wow. And this is something that you love to do?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You have more food leaving in the pot?
This pot having curry goat.
Lift it up. Nice, curry goat.
Yeah. And this one have stew chicken. And this one have cow foot. Yeah.
The cow foot so finished, man.
Yeah, man. And this is the pasta pot.
Pasta. Okay, guys, look at what's going on here. It's a well-fueled engine.
So when you want good old-time cooking, come to Fry Fry.
Come to Fry Fry. So talk to me.
400 on Fry Fry.
Talk to me about how Corona affected you. How was sales until during the Corona
sales
time?
were much more better because you wouldn't come to the shop open now. I would finish sell. People just scared Corona.
Oh, you're saying it is worse since
Corona?
Corona?
It's worse, man. It's worse. You must expect that. Everything cut in two from Corona. Everything.
So before Corona, yes, you're saying that you had a lot more crowd.
Yeah.
A lot more persons. So food would have finished selling earlier.
Depends on the amount you cook.
Yeah. But since Corona, everything kind of dwindled down.
Everything.
Okay.
It's just the grace of God keep you now.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, to be frank with you. See my wash hand station there. Because you have to keep your hand clean.
I don't like how you keep the thing clean. You have a little TV. Hey, you know long when I see one of them TV antenna?
You know.
And it actually works.
Of course. It's so pretty. Prettier than the
inside.
The flat screen that we.
So she's sharing her food for my cousin. He's buying one. Rice and peas. Look at the rice and the peas.
And you make the smell go in the camera enough.
I'm telling you, it smells so good, and I'm not even joking. I'm not even I try pretend or joke. It actually smells really good. So what time you open in the days?
Well, I would say 12.
Oh, 12, okay.
Yeah, lunch going into dinner.
And you go straight up to curfew time. 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Or by 9:30 because I don't want police all and pull me. I can get that pot.
So police would have trouble even though you're in your yard?
After 10, yeah man, because you're breaking the rule. The rule is the rule, you know. The rule is the rule. And remember, it's a pandemic. So you have to know what you're doing.
You have to be careful and be vigilant.
Yeah.
So a typical Friday night now. What time food finish?
Well,
on a Friday and Saturday night. Because sales supposed to be more on that time.
Well, food will finish around 9. Yeah, because you know you cook extra. You cook extra. So it's 9.
So what's your secret to staying looking this young?
Hard work.
Hard work?
Hard work.
Hard work, like I stay looking this young all the time.
And put God first.
Okay.
Put God first.
Put God first. And third. And your blessings come forth.
Yeah. Put God first. Serve Him. And don't joke about serving. If it's God, let it be God. Yeah, you cannot serve two masters. You cannot serve the devil and serve God.
Amen.
It must be God in your life.
Okay.
And with Him, all things is possible.
Okay.
Sure.
You can lift the pot cover, make me see what one in there. I wonder where I bubble up. Oh, see some fried chicken in there. No, man, but you have food all over the place, man.
You want me lift a pot cover there?
Look how she did hide the chicken from me.
Are the pork bubbling or that? No.
Oh, pork over there.
Yes, pork over there.
Hey, one thing about Jamaican people, you know, we know how to turn on make fashion. Look on the grill what in this. No, look there.
Yes,
Look
man.
on the grill.
Because it's healthier for you. The chicken them don't soak in the oil. The oil drain out.
Isn't this like a fence that you use? Like a gate fence? Piece of fence you just cut off and use as a grill?
Man, I make somebody pay them. I pay somebody to make that grill.
Oh wow.
So that when you fry the chicken, it doesn't soak up back the oil. All that oil gone out and you somewhat more healthier. Sure. So you see it? There's the grill, so you put them on the grill and the oil, so the oil settled.
The oil gets to soak out.
I'm looking forward to keep my fish fry the 27th of March.
Where are you keeping it here?
Right here.
So you fry the fish then?
Yeah,
If I
man.
fry the fish then I come in.
Yeah, man. Right on the coal fire. On the outside there. Fish fry.
And what's the price for it?
Toast 5.
Okay. And it's gonna be snapper?
Snapper, all type of fish.
Okay. More fried snapper.
Fried fish and bami and the festival and yeah. Maybe
Okay.
like you'll have like side orders and you will have fruits and vegetables served along with your fish.
Give me some inspiring words that you want to give to somebody who don't have a lot and is probably out there suffering in silence. Give us some word of encouragement that
I would tell
to
them.
help them out or whatever situation. Because we know, say, especially now during the pandemic, a lot of people going through a lot of different things, and we're all aching inside. So how would you encourage them to just stay strong?
I would encourage them to stick with the Lord. Ask Him to show you where to go and what to do. Because I started out this business with 5 pounds of rice, 10 pounds of chicken, a pound of peas, a coconut, 25 lunch boxes, and over 21 years now.
Wow.
And the amount I achieved out of that 5 pounds of rice and that 10 pounds of chicken, it's more than enough. Simple.
And there were times where you felt like giving up?
Yeah.
When you said the profit's not coming in,
And
the
when
money
the
not
sale
coming in all the time, but you just keep persevering and you just keep pushing through.
Pushing. In the morning you wake up and you feel like, boy, I can't bother today. Push.
Push past that.
Push.
It will get better.
Sure.
Push past that.
It will get better.
It will get better. Everything have its season, right?
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give up.
When I hear that, so we know
Never
it's
give
rough, but you oftentimes have to look at what you know. You have other people with far less that is doing far more. So always like humble yourself, put yourself in that perspective of, you know, I'm gonna use what I have to do what I can do until I can do better.
Yeah.
Right, Fafa?
Sure.
Right.
And every mickle make a
muckle.
And
Every
out
mickle.
of nothing becomes something.
Hey, one thing about Jamaican people, we're resilient now.
Yes.
We stand up strong, you know.
Yes.
We do it, you know.
Yeah.
It may not seem like we have much, you know, but we're going through, you know.
Because I used to, when I started out, I used to go by the school gate, that's St. Jude's Primary School gate. And I would wake up every morning 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
Yeah, just to cook. That's why they call me fry because everybody would smell chicken frying and don't know where the chicken frying so early.
Oh, okay.
Because lunchtime up there would be 11:30. So I would cook here, pack them in a bag and go by the school gate. So you see,
Have to start somewhere.
I have to start from somewhere.
Okay, fry. Well, thank you
Okay.
for taking us in your kitchen.
Yes.
One day, I'm gonna come help you cook.
Aye.
One full day, I'm gonna come and cook.
Okay.
And then help you sell.
Yes.
And all of these things.
Alright, I meet people.
And meet people. And we're gonna we're gonna come help you run the shop for a day and we'll vlog it. How my sound?
So good.
Alright. How my sound, guys? How my sound? And let me know. Leave it in the comment section below. And I'm gonna give Fry her space now. It is 8:52.
Yeah.
So I'm about to leave. No, nothing in pot.
Are the pork you want to see?
I want to see what going in there.
Are the pork? Go on in it. See that?
Guys, that's pork.
You see? That's the stew pork going on there. The coal fire.
So we're back outside now, done with the shop. That was great, guys, and Fry was most accommodating. So if you are ever so if you are ever in this neighborhood, is the Olympic Gardens community, then definitely come and check her out. Look at the shop front, mom. See there, Fry cook shop. Fry cook shop. Definitely come check her out. Right now she's there watching some of my videos. Oh, and I'm getting chicken. Thank you. Guys, look. Guys, I got chicken. Thank you so much. So I call her.
Alright.
She's having a fish fry in March. So if you are watching and you're close in the area and you're tall, definitely come and support her. Cool? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!